Okay, good morning from Hamburg. I took the night train again from Bratislava. Look at these guys next to me. They were up drinking all night and they left. They were partying all night and they left 3 full beers. I don't drink, but some free beer. So we're in Hamburg. I always wanted to see a German seaside town, so we're gonna check it out. Great train. The old night jet. The night jet. What a big old station. Hamburg. This is exactly how the weather has to be in Hamburg. This is exactly what I was expecting. Look at this, gloomy, foggy. It's like Vancouver. This is where the good food, the good seafood happens. Places that look like this. Look at the vegetable market. Look at this carrot, purple carrot, black radish, and of course the German potatoes. Amazing. Thank you. Look at this guy. He gave me a... You gotta start your day in Germany with a nice form of peculiar dried meat. Few places in the world do cured porky, beefy goodness like Germany. Good start. That is black salsify, a peculiar European vegetable. Exciting. Look at this little blood sausage, head cheese, liverwurst. This is the breakfast of champions. Behind me is the local market I just hit for some breakfast. That's what you do when you get off the train on a foggy day in Hamburg. You go find meat and cheese and some hard bread and have some breakfast. So let's go find somewhere to eat this. Now let's play, what did we get at the market? Well, I know very little about German food, but I know Germany knows how to make bread. So I got some Vollkornbrot, which looks to be some sort of hard sliced vessel for any meat and cheese. That's a very good one. Of course, some sort of cheese. I asked them where they said it was from near the North Sea, which is close by. For those wondering, it is called Norbert Bornkasmatch, I think. No. Maybe this is it. Indersum. I think that's what it's called. Dishkesse. I don't know. But I'll tell you what. It smells amazing. It smells incredible. And then, of course, you can't come to Germany without having some sort of form of head cheesy sausage type thing and a liverwurst spread. So, this is how you eat breakfast. So I'll show you what I'll do. I'll take one of these. Let's try this one first. Mystery sausage. That's worth the train ride alone. Let's do a breakdown. You've got hammy type thing, jelly type stuff, an aspic for all the chefs out there. You can't find one piece of sausage like this in America. I don't care what those artisan charcuterie types are doing. It doesn't taste like this in America. Okay, next up on the glory of the pig. This magical spready type thing. I think this is like a liverwurst. I have no knife. So let's go with the squeeze. One sec. See, you don't need a knife. Look at that. I think this is liver. Pate. It's 9:30 in the morning. This is so good. Oh. That is so freaking good. That is depressingly good. Like literally, again, America, That is so good. What's going on here? Natural casing. Saturday market. Wow. That is one of the best things I've eaten all year. Whoa. Next level. Okay. Let us raw milk cheese it. I just said give me something German from the region. She said it's by the North Sea, which is just above us, and I said strong, so. There's Beethoven playing in my ears. That is so strong. It tastes like dirty, stinky, beautiful, delicious sauce. Now let's talk about the subtle key to all this. Sharp cheese on good bread, but in between, a bite of an apple. Cheese and bread. Three Michelin stars. Okay, I could turn around right now and already be happy with Hamburg, but the best part about that market was the guy asking me if I wanted a hard apple or a soft apple, because this is a more soft apple. So I thought that would be nicer with the cheese. Apple choices. What a thought, I love it. Listen to how soft this apple is. Mmm, soft. What's this? The German Coast Guard. Well, isn't this a picturesque city? That's the nicest Starbucks I think I've ever seen in my life. Hello, German Coast Guard. Patrolling. Cracking down on people who are illegally smuggling pork products, surely, or cheese. Beautiful. Okay, market number 2 of this Hamburg cloudy, rainy market day is somewhere over there. So we are gonna go find that. Many rivers in this city, it's incredible. This looks like a proper Saturday market.
Also insofern weiß ich jetzt nicht, das ist fast wahrscheinlich vollständige Informationen so, ne? Also vielleicht? Ja.
Italy can keep their pasta makers in Germany. Makers of great Spätzle and Nudel. Their own version of pasta. Maybe better. A little butter, sauerkraut on there, some Speck. Ooh, deer. You gotta love the butcher dedicated to nothing but deer. Venison. This is an amazing market. This is why Europe is better. Saturday mornings are better in Europe. Well, that's basically 4 football fields of Saturday morning cheese, meats, market, food. Pretty good way to start the day. Ooh, look, a Porsche. How German. When in Germany, there's only one thing really to do, and that's have a Turkish kebab. Yum. One thing Germany has that does a damn good job of every time is a Turkish kebab. Döner kebab. This one is lamb. So, what a great day. It started with some wonderful cheese and meats, ended with this beautiful doner kebab. It's heaven.